Hello everyone! Today I will introduce to you an installation method of our 9-position water-cooled cabinet when we receive the goods. The first thing we need to see is that this is a dry cooling tower. This is the cabinet and the 4 buckles we matched for you for waterproof pads and 2 bellows. This is what we're made of. After receiving the goods, the first step is to connect our main pipeline. This is a bellows line directly with the dry air conditioner. Then put on a waterproof pad. Just put this buckle on and cart it directly. So that's for heads. We can install it directly. In the second step, we put the machine in our cabinet, then 3 floors. Then we equip you with this aviation plug and the network cable all plugged in. We can plug it directly into the machine. In the second step, we need to connect the water inlet and outlet of our machine. The blue one is connected to the water inlet of the mining machine. The red one is connected to the water outlet of the mining machine. After the machine is connected, let me first introduce you to some of our switches. This is the main switch of the whole cabinet. That's 3 wires on the left. On the right is a 0 wire. The one on the far right is a switch for our main water pump. Connect 3 live wires. This is what we have already picked up. Each of our machines is single machine and each operator controls 1 machine. It's all connected for everyone. We can directly power the machine with an aviation plug. In the third step, we need to add water. This is one of our water storage tanks. We can add purified water or antifreeze. We fill it up through this inlet. After it is filled up, we need to turn on our water pump for testing. After turning on the pump, we must pay attention. Under 1 turn of this pump, we have a logo on it. If the steering of the pump fan is consistent with the steering of our logo, then this water pump is working normally. If it works in the opposite direction, we need to adjust the switch on the front. The one on the far right is a switch that controls the water pump. 3 wires of wire were connected to it. If our pumps are running in the opposite direction, we need to reverse the 2 fire wires on the left in one direction. Connect the red to the yellow, just connect the yellow one to the red one. This is a fan in our cooling tower. We also need to connect 3 electricity for this box. This box, after we open it, we need to pass 3 wires of fire. The wiring method is UVW1. That's the correct answer. After receiving it, we can feel the wind with our hands. If this wind is moving upwards, then this fan is working normally. If it is running in the opposite direction, we need to check if we made a mistake. After all, our pipes are connected. We need to open the exhaust valve on our dry cooling tower. After opening it, we turn on the main switch of our cabinet. There's also the switch of our water pump to turn on. So what's next? We need to open the valve of our mining machine. We opened 3 units together. 3 units have been opened now, and the 3 units have been opened together. After opening, then we need to check our water pump. Water pump, this is, we have an exhaust port, and then we open it with a screwdriver. After opening it, if there's water flowing out, then we just tighten it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 9 machines at once, 3 sets of valves, open it together. If 3 units and 3 units pair together, the gas in our mining machine will be discharged faster until we get all 9 machines free of bubbles. Then our pump is working normally.